Hello traders, hello. Am I audible? Hello traders. Hello traders, please let me know in the comment section. Hello, welcome traders, welcome. I'm going to start the analysis. Hello traders, hello. Thank you for your likes. Thank you so much. So traders, comment, please comment below. Am I audible? So traders, 8 minutes to go. US session is going to open now. Okay, kids. Okay. Please comment. Traders, please comment. So traders, let's start our analysis. Okay, so this is the dollar index chart, and as you can see today we don't have any news events. Okay, so today is November 24th, Monday, and today we don't have any news events. Tomorrow we have core PPI, core retail sales, PPI, retail sales. Okay, so tomorrow will be an important day. And dollar index, as you can see traders, this is the daily support. Okay, so this is the daily support. So dollar index is stuck on the daily support. If dollar index takes a bullish move from here, then we will be expecting some bearish momentum in gold. Okay, so this is the only analysis for the dollar index. Okay, so as of now dollar index is on its daily support. Okay traders, so let's move on to gold. Okay, so gold here, as you can see traders, this is the daily time frame, sorry, weekly time frame. And in the morning stream I already explained you each and everything. So this is the weekly candle. Okay, so this weekly candle is a consolidation candle, so we are stuck in this range. Okay traders, also same way. So just have a look at this candle carefully. So this is a consolidation candle and the price is in between the consolidation candle. Okay, so this is a weekly time frame, and let's move on to our daily time frame. So here you can see traders, same candle as the weekly one, right? Same candle, and still we are in a range. Okay, so let's see what happens today, and let's move on to our main chart over here. And traders, I have already done the analysis in the Asian session, so I'll explain you each and everything once again. Okay traders, so make sure you like this video traders, comment below your doubts. Okay traders, so we will be trading live regularly, so this is a testing stream. Okay traders, so please comment below your thoughts, your doubts, each and everything. Okay, I need live interaction. All right traders, so first thing first, you need to mark the previous day high and low. Okay, so this is the previous candle high and low, as you can see over here. This is today's candle, and this is the yesterday, I mean last trading day candle. So mark the low and high. Okay, same way you mark the weekly range. Okay, so this is the weekly range over here. Okay, so I have already marked it. Purple line is weekly high, weekly low, and the blue line is daily low and daily high. Okay, traders. So let's move on to 4-hour time frame. And as you can see, traders, this is our all-time high. Okay, on the top, this is our all-time high, and you know, price is respecting this trend line. Okay, price is respecting this trend line. So on the 4-hour time frame, so you need to mark only two levels. Okay, traders, only two levels. So you need to mark this level 4088. Okay, 4088, and you can align this with the daily high, and the level below support level is 4033. Okay, traders, so mark as it is. So this level is 4033, and it is aligned with the previous day low. So traders, today we don't have any news events. So let's see how we perform in the US session. Traders, please comment below your thoughts, your doubts. 6 people are watching, and make sure you hit that like button, traders. Thank you, all of you. Thank you for joining. So please comment below so that I know that you are watching me. Okay, please comment below. Okay, so now we are in this range. As you can see, traders, this is the range, daily range, and this is the weekly range. Okay, purple one. So price is trading in between the range. Okay, and today we don't have any news events, so we need some news event or some economical geopolitical news events for the breakout. Okay, so I don't think so today we can make that move, but let's see what happens. So just 1 minute to go. US session is going to start within 1 minute. So traders, comment down below, please comment. 6 people are watching. Welcome all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, traders. Please hit the like button. Okay, so now moving on to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let's have a look at the liquidity levels. So let's have a look at the liquidity levels on the 15 minutes time frame. So as you can see, traders, after this major selling, okay, so this was the major selling, and we already break past above the 50% mark. Okay, so indicating a bullish momentum, so more than 50% of the sellers are gone now. Okay, so more than 50% of sellers are gone now. So who are available in the market? So these buyers are available in the market. Okay, so these buyers are available in the market following this trend line. Okay, so as you can see, traders, following this trend line. Okay, so this is the trend line starting point. I also explained you why I am taking this point, so I'll explain you once again. So traders, as you can see, after this breakout, okay, so after this breakout, as you can see, price created this super bullish move. Okay, so price created this super bullish move. So that's why I took my first point from here, not from here. Okay, so I am targeting all these buyers and these sellers. Okay, traders, so these buyers are available in the market and these sellers are available in the market as of now. Okay, traders, so buyers are following this trend line. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, so buyers are continuously buying and following this trend line. Okay, so this trend line is very important. And above we have this trend line. I have already shown you. Okay, okay traders, so this is the hourly time frame. Now let's find out our liquidity levels. Okay, so we will only mark the latest ones. Okay, so we are not going to mark old ones, we are going to mark all the latest ones. So here you can see traders, after this selling move, okay, so after this selling move, price did not continue. Okay, so price did the inducement and then again created its second move, breaking this. Okay, but you can see the breakout, that was not a proper breakout over here. As you can see traders, candle did not close below. Okay, so candle did not close below the low price. So market is indicating that buyers can be active from this range. Okay, and as you can see traders, buyers were active from this range. Okay, so this manipulation will always be done. Okay traders, so you need to be careful. Manipulation will always take place. Okay, so don't worry, just mark the bigger time frame levels. Okay, so don't mark smaller time frame levels, only work with the bigger time frame levels. Okay, so as you can see traders, this liquidity is protected, so this is a very strong liquidity. Okay, so as you can see, sellers entered from here, so they have all the stop losses here. Okay, all the sellers. So here also, as you can see traders, these sellers, they have stop losses somewhere here. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. So this is a big liquidity pool. Okay traders, so this is a big liquidity pool. Also we can mark this like this. Okay traders, so this is a big liquidity pool and I will mark this as red. Thanks, keep up on regular basis so that can get a clear picture. Afraid of SL hunting around 4120. Okay, Arunav Das, thank you for your comment. Yes, I will do regular analysis for you. Afraid of SL hunting around 4120. Rafal 4120. Okay, 4120. SL hunting above. Okay, yeah, definitely. So there are sellers available here as of now. As you can see, sellers. So definitely price is going to hunt these sellers. Okay, so definitely price is going to hunt these sellers. So now logically if you think, then here these sellers, not all sellers are active over here. Okay, so currently if we consider these sellers, so as you can see traders, already the price has surpassed the 50% range. So mostly 50, more than 50% sellers are out of these positions. Okay, I'm just waiting for a proper move in the dollar index. Okay, so as you can see traders, we are taking support from here. Okay, so we are taking support from here, and as you can see traders, this candle is consolidation candle. We are taking support from our daily level. Okay traders, so this is our daily level. Let's see if we find out any more clues here. So this was the support. Why this is a support? As you can see, traders, this was a drop, this was a base, and the rally. Okay, so this rally was a beautiful rally, and then again when the price entered its base, so we saw a beautiful rally again. Okay, traders, my bias is on the bullish side. I am just waiting for a confirmation of this structure. Okay, confirmation of this structure. So this structure needs to be broken. Okay, traders, so this is a very good resistance. This is the latest resistance. US session is active, so let's see what happens, traders. Okay, so let's continue with our liquidity levels. So below, as you can see, traders, buyers are available over here. Okay, so after this liquidity grab, so buyers entered aggressive, very aggressive. Okay, so you can see the candles push above, push above, push. Okay, so buyers entered aggressively, and already the market has given a good move. Okay, traders, so comment down below your thoughts, your doubts, traders. So this is a demo stream, traders. Okay, this is a demo stream. I hope my voice is clear and audible. So dollar is taking support, DXY is taking support from its support level. So this is a daily support level. Okay, traders, this is a daily support level. So let's see what happens. Today I don't think so. Now already the market has given beautiful bullish momentum. Okay, so almost I think 400 pips from here. Okay, so 400 pips already, and today we don't have any news events. Okay, so tomorrow is a very important trading day, so tomorrow I'll be live. So from now onwards I'll be live regularly. Okay, traders, you mark this dollar index level. Okay, so the chart I am using is capital.com. Okay, for the dollar index, so you can mark this 99.7, 99.623. Okay, so you can mark this level, and this is the only support. Okay, so as you can see, after tapping in, we are creating some bullish momentum. Okay, so if market continues in the dollar index, if there's a bullish pressure in the dollar index, then definitely there will be a retracement in gold. Okay, from this level there will be definitely a retracement. Okay, so respecting this trend line, maybe we come here, we touch this trend line, and we again fall. Okay, this is the first scenario, and the second scenario will be we need a clear breakout. Okay, so we need a clear breakout of this 4-hour level, also the trend line, and then only we can continue breaking the previous day high. Then we can continue until the weekly high. Okay, so this is the previous week range. So this will be our target for this week. And here, as you can see below, after this trend line breakout, we can take some support here. After this support, we don't have any support available. We will be direct targeting the weekly low. Okay traders, so US session has already started, 20 minutes already done. So let's see. I have already given you the scenario traders. Okay, so here you can see if this momentum continues. Okay, so if this momentum continues, then definitely we will be retracing, okay, from this level, from the 4-hour level. This is a fresh level. Also, I want the price to touch the trend line. Okay traders, I want the price to touch the trend line, touching our level, and then we can expect a downside momentum. Okay traders, so what you can do is you can just use the 50% level here. Okay, so this is the 50% level, so almost same level. Okay, so 4100 level is there. So until and unless we don't break this level, so we will be stuck in this zone. Okay, in this range, this weekly range. Okay, I'm talking about this weekly range. This is the previous week range. Okay, and the price is currently trading in between the range. Okay traders, so new viewers, welcome. So please comment traders, please comment what capital are you using, how was your last week. I hope you made good profits. So it all depends on dollar index. Okay, so dollar index, if it keeps rising continuously, okay, so we need aggressive moves. Okay, so we need aggressive moves like this candle, and boom. So we need aggressive moves like you can see this sell move. This was aggressive. Same way we need aggressive bullish momentum. Okay traders, and then only we can expect some bearish momentum in gold. New viewers, welcome. Thank you for watching. So traders, please comment down below. Are you trading today? What capital are you using? Anyone trading funded accounts? What risk are you using? What is your risk management? Are you a beginner? And also traders, please comment from which country you're watching. Okay traders, so we need interaction. This is live YouTube streaming, so please traders, I need some interaction. Okay, so 5 people are watching. Thank you traders. All new viewers, welcome. Okay, I have already shared the levels, so if you want I can explain you once again. Okay, first thing first, you need to mark the previous day high and previous day low. This is a blue line, and this purple line is the previous week high and previous week low. Okay, so currently we are stuck in that range. Okay, so currently we are stuck in the weekly range and in the daily range. Okay, so this is the daily range from here till here. So this is the daily range and this is the weekly range. So price is stuck in between this range, and today we don't have any news events. Okay traders, so today is November 24th, we don't have any news events. So tomorrow is a very important day, November 25th, and tomorrow we have the retail sales PPI. Okay, traders, so tomorrow will be a deciding factor for gold. And dollar index, as you can see, traders, we are creating continuous bullish pressure. Okay, so we are creating continuous bullish pressure from here. All right, so the dollar may fall, sorry, the gold may fall. Okay, traders. So US session is already active, and let's see how US session performs. I'll delete this level. So can we see any other levels? No. Okay. So traders, I always tell you, traders, please focus on the bigger time frames. Okay, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. Please focus on the big time frames. Don't fall for the smaller time frame traps. Okay, you will be thinking small stop losses, big rewards. Okay, traders, but there will be a lot of manipulation, lot of stop loss hunting. Okay, eventually you will lose your account. Okay, if you want safer side trading, if you want to earn real money, then you need to focus only on the big time frames. Okay, so big picture, you only need to focus big picture. So this is the resistance level. So first what market can do is market can create some sellers. Okay, so market will first invite some sellers like it did over here. Okay, so I'll explain you over here. So as you can see, traders, after this move, the market invited some sellers. Okay, so breaking the lower low, market invited some sellers from here. Okay, and then suddenly hunting the stop losses. Okay, hunting the stop losses, again market continued. Okay, same way, hunting stop losses, again market continue. Okay, traders, so same way today also, same way. Now the market has created some sellers over here. As you can see, these are all the early sellers, these are all the aggressive early sellers. Okay, so what market can do is market can, okay, 6 people are watching. Please traders, I need comments, share your thoughts. Are you trading today? How was your last week? So did you trade Asian session today? So please comment below. So as you can see, traders, already these are the early sellers. Okay, so what market can do is market can liquidate these sellers. Okay, so coming into our zone, also touching our trend line. So this will be extra confluence. Okay, so here is our trend line, as you can see, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, traders, so we have three trend line, 3 points. We have a proper trend line. This is a powerful trend line. Okay, and now here you can see, traders, early sellers already in. Market can liquidate these sellers touching our level, and then again market can continue. Okay, traders, so now let us, okay, so as you can see, traders, here on the dollar index, price is pushing. Okay, so price is pushing aggressively. Okay, 5 people are watching. Traders, please comment, please comment, please comment your thoughts. Are you trading today? So what is your view? What is your bias, bullish or bearish, for the US session? Okay, for today's US session. So here also, as you can see, traders, below 4100. Okay, so market is choppy. Dollar index is booming. Let's check the currency strength meter. Yeah, dollar is positive. Okay, in the 4 hour time frame, dollar is positive. In the 1 hour time frame, dollar is positive. Okay, Okay, traders, so we can liquidate these early sellers. We can liquidate these early sellers. We can liquidate this, then we can continue. Or else if we break past this level, okay, so we break past this level 4101, so you don't think about selling, okay, so you just think about buying. Don't immediately buy after the breakout. Don't immediately buy after the breakout. Also, we will be breaking the previous day high. Okay, traders, so previous day high, we will be breaking the previous day high. So first we need to break past all the levels, then after retracement, then only we will continue. Okay, so I will let you know, traders, I will let you know each and everything live. So make sure you like this stream, traders. Please like this stream, and if you're watching, please comment below your thoughts. From which country you are watching? I'm really interested. From which country you're watching, traders? Please comment down below. Okay, so here aggressive buyers. Okay, so here aggressive buyers. Once we start selling from here, then definitely we are going to target these buyers. First target will be these buyers. Okay, so after targeting these buyers, then if we continue below, breaking our trend line, okay, so if we continue below, then this is the only support we have. After clearing this support, then definitely we are expecting the price near 4000, okay, pinpoint 4000 level, which is our previous week low. Let's see what happens. So as of now the market is bullish, and can we draw some trend line from this range? No. Okay, no problem, traders, no problem, everything is good. Dollar index is pushing. Okay, so candle closing is 36 minutes from now. So let's see if we can continue this for half an hour. Already we took the support, okay, so already we took the support, and in gold, as you can see, we have already started making that bullish momentum. Let's see if we can target these early sellers. Okay, so don't enter now. So now, as of now, there's no buying, no selling. Okay, so nothing. So we will be trying a sell signal from this level, from this mid level. Okay, so early sellers, liquidity hunt, touching our 4-hour resistance, touching our trend line, and then we can expect some down move. Okay, so why are we expecting a down move? Because we have the resistance, we have the trend line, and the dollar index is pushing crazy. Okay, so dollar index is pushing crazy. Good evening Vrindavan, good evening Vajnikam, good evening, welcome. So dollar index is pushing, okay, continuous push. So that's why we are expecting some bearish momentum. Okay, so today's momentum will be not much volatile. Okay, so don't expect much volatility because we don't have any news events. So 7 people are watching. Thank you for joining. Make sure you hit that like button, traders. Hit that like button. So today we don't have any news events. Okay, so let's see. We have early sellers here, and as of now the market is super bullish, so there's no point buying here. Okay, so definitely stop loss will get hunted, so no point of buying. We already missed the move. So this was the morning Asian session move, as you can see. So this was the morning Asian session move. Okay, touching our trend line, as you can see over here, touching our trend line and also giving us a clue. Okay, so what market did, market liquidated the early buyers. Okay, same way, see, same way. So nowadays market is liquidating all the early buyers and early sellers, so you need to be cautious. Okay, don't jump on the first move. Okay, so wait for the first move. If we miss that move, if we miss this momentum, don't worry traders, market is unlimited. Okay, so we have tomorrow, we have day after tomorrow, we have the week, we have the whole week, we have the whole month, we have the whole year. Okay, so don't worry, don't worry. So this was the fear of missing. Okay, so this was the fear of missing. So buyers started entering aggressively from here, and then afterwards what market did, liquidated pinpoint. Okay, so pinpoint liquidation, and then it gave the original move. Okay, so always remember traders, don't jump on the first move. 8 people are watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you traders, thank you for all your likes. Thank you so much. Okay, Vrindavan, Vajnikam. Okay, Arundas. Okay, Rafael. How many people are live? Please comment, traders. Please comment. Any new viewers, please comment so that I know you. I know Vrindavan, I know Vajnikam, I know Rafael, I know Arunav, I know Kids. Okay, and in the Asian session, Mitchell was active. I remember Mitchell, and one more trader. Okay, so please traders, please comment below your thoughts. Natasha, yeah, Natasha. Hello, ma'am. Hello. So I forgot Natasha. Yes, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome. I hope you are doing good and profitable. Okay, so let's check dollar index. Okay, so dollar index is continuously pushing. Okay, so leaving FVG behind. So this is the FVG. This is 15 minutes. Okay, so this candle is going to, okay, so maybe we retrace back and then again we continue. Okay, so same way here, we can retrace back and then we can continue. Okay, so already the market gave 400 pips. Okay, from here already 400 pips. So do you think market can push further? Please comment below. Do you think market can push further? Thank you for all your likes. Thank you. Do you think market can push more? So there's no news event today. There's no news event today, as you can see. Tomorrow is a very important trading day. So today no news events. So until and unless we don't have a deciding factor like some geopolitical news or a Trump speech or anything like that, so I don't think so we can make a breakout from here. Okay, so let's see. Market is unexpected, so anything can happen. Okay, so the price is continuing. Price is continuing below. Okay, it's half an hour. US session is started. US session is started. It's half an hour. And already we started creating the bearish momentum. Okay, please remember traders, any point of time we can liquidate this. Okay, any point of time we can liquidate this early sellers. We can liquidate these early sellers. Okay, so these are the early sellers, and at any point of time we can liquidate these sellers and then again we can continue. Okay, so if we are breaking above, which I don't think so it's possible today, but yeah, market is unexpected, so anything can happen. So here, as you can see traders, after this liquidation I need to touch here. Okay, our level. So maybe we can directly continue from here, or else we can touch our trend line again. Okay, but in my view we are bearish as of now. From the Asian session the bias was bullish. Okay, so it does not mean that in the US session also the bias will be the same. Yes, it can push upward. Okay, let's see kids, let's see if we can push further. But kids, we don't have any news events today. Okay, so remember that we don't have any news events, so we need some news events to push the price higher. And already the dollar index is booming. Okay, so as you can see traders, dollar index is booming. Okay, so new candle formed, and higher high break, higher high break. So let's see what happens. Okay, so price comes to tap in the 15 minutes FVG. Okay, so price comes to tap in 15 minutes FVG, then definitely we are going to get our expected move. Okay, so we will be getting our expected move, liquidating all the early sellers and then continuing below. Okay traders, so this is very important. So these are advanced concepts. Okay traders, advanced liquidity concepts. So market will never give you the opportunity to enter. Okay, so it will always always liquidate. So that's how market works. After grabbing the liquidity, then only the market will move. Okay, so if the market does not have any liquidity, so the market will be sideways. Okay traders, so market needs liquidity. So please remember, market needs liquidity always. And I have already explained you traders. Now I'll explain you one concept, simple concept but very powerful. Okay traders, so 8 people are watching. Please comment who all are watching. Please comment. Natasha, Wajnikam, Vrindavan, who all are active, please let me know. Okay, so I was explaining this simple concept. Okay, so let's consider these sellers. Okay, so these are the first sellers, first wave of sellers. So these were the first wave of sellers. So some people will book the profit here. Okay, suppose we have a sell position from here, so some people will book profits here, but many will not book the profits. Okay, so many will not, I mean greed or anything else. Okay, so they will not book the profits, they will hold their positions. Once the market goes up, then they will start exiting their positions. Okay, see, market will make fool of everyone. Okay, so market will grab the liquidity and then continue. Okay, so the concept is like, I'll explain to traders here, over here. If the market wants to push further, okay, if the market wants to push further, if the market wants to push further, then market needs buy side liquidity. Okay, market needs buy side liquidity. So now when sellers are selling, okay, so these are the sellers. So please understand this concept traders, this is very important. Okay, so when the market is in selling side, okay, obviously there are sellers active, sellers, all sellers are active. Okay, all sellers are active. So now the market needs buy side position. Okay, market needs buy side position. So I'll delete this. So just imagine market needs buy side position to continue from this level. If market wants to continue from this level, so what market needs? Market needs buy side liquidity. So how market is going to create that buy side liquidity? Inviting the sellers. Got it? Inviting the sellers. Inviting the sellers. You see, these sellers, they have stop losses above. So when I'm in a selling position, so when I book my profits, my order executes as buy order. Okay, so sellers, they create buy side liquidity, buyers, they create sell side liquidity. Okay, traders, so when I am selling, my stop loss will be buy. When I am selling, my stop loss will be buy. Okay, so this is a very simple concept, but it is really powerful, traders. So you need to follow all the concepts. Okay, so let's see what's happening. Okay, so nothing much. And in the dollar index, Vajnikam, yes, okay, Vajnikam, thank you for commenting. Okay, traders, so as you can see, we are creating a bearish move in order to fill that FVG. Okay, so this is a fair value gap. So after filling this gap, so we can continue. Okay, okay, so we have liquidity over here. 5 people are watching. No problem, traders, no problem. Even if I have one trader, I'll be doing live stream. Okay, so don't worry, I'm here for you. So don't follow tens of thousands of analysis. Okay, traders. Okay, so 10 people are watching right now. Traders, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And traders, please, all new viewers, please comment. Please comment, traders, so I know your name. New viewers, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please like the stream. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Thank you for all your likes. So dollar index is pushing below. Let's see. And gold is also pushing below. So these are all the early sellers. Let's see if we can continue or we can liquidate and then we can continue. So we want to liquidate these sellers, okay, for our sell move. We need to liquidate these levels. So I'll mark this liquidity over here. So this is the liquidity. Vrindavan, yes. Igosa Philip. Hello Philip. Is it a buy or sell? Okay. So Philip brother, until now the market is not decided. As you can see, I have already shown you on the daily time frame over here. As you can see, dollar index is super bullish and we have the daily support here. Okay, so when the dollar index is moving higher, when the dollar index is pushing higher, so there's 70% probability that gold will fall. Okay, so gold will fall. 70% probability. Thank you for all your likes. Thank you. Manga, thank you very much. Philip brother, now there's no buy or sell. Okay, as of now there's no buy or sell. Don't enter, brother. Okay, don't enter. Okay, so price is continuously falling below. Price is continuously falling below. Let's see. And today, Philip brother, we don't have any news events. Okay, so we don't have, you see, this is the Forex factory news events, and today we don't have any news events. Okay, so today will be less volatile day, and already we made the original move. Okay, so from here, from the Asian session, already we have made our original move. Okay, traders, this move is of 400 pips. Okay, it's of 400 pips. Already market pushed 400 pips above. And let's check the volume here. So for volume, I'm using the fixed range volume profile. Okay, traders, so thank you for watching. Thank you, all of you. Thank you for all your likes. 11 people are watching. So please traders comment below so that I know you. Please comment. Please comment your bias. What are you thinking? Okay, traders. So in the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, let me draw the volume. So from here, buy volume until here. Okay, traders. So as you can see, we have some bullish volume in this range. I will mark this as orange, 2 pixels. Okay, and if I don't consider this red candle until here, okay, same volume near 4069 4070. Okay, same volume. This is the hourly volume. Okay, so the orange lines will be volume. Okay, always remember traders, orange line will be volumes. I am on sell already. Okay, Philip sir, okay, you're on sell already. Okay, so I've already explained that early sellers can be targeted. Okay, so Philip sir, please listen to me carefully. As you can see over here, when the early sellers entered, okay, so early sellers entered, what happened? Suddenly the market pushed upwards, liquidating the early sellers, and then market gave its original move. Okay, so please take care, because we have a liquidity zone here, we have early sellers here. Okay, so just remember those who are selling in this range. Okay, so those who are selling, let's say some people selling here, some people selling here. Okay, so this becomes the liquidity, so this already becomes the liquidity, and these are all the early sellers. Okay, so these are all the early sellers. So market always tricks you. Okay, so market always tricks you. That's why we need to be careful. So we need to have extra confluences always. Okay, traders, always we need to have that extra confluence. Okay, so let's have a look at dollar index. Okay, dollar index is doing good. Okay, dollar index is doing good. Okay, so price did not tap in the FVG, and the price is continuing its bullish momentum again. Okay, 8 people are watching. Thank you for all your likes. Thank you. Philip sir, you got it. So please be careful. Market can liquidate the early sellers. Okay, if you are an early seller, then market can liquidate your position, and then market again can continue. Okay, traders. And yes, the second probability is like market can continue directly, but safer side, we need to wait for that liquidation or stop loss hunt. Okay, so we need to have extra confluences always. So 9 people are watching. New viewers, welcome to Precious Pips live stream. Make sure you hit that like button and comment your doubts. Okay, traders, I'm here live. This is a live stream, so I need interactions. So comment below your thoughts. What is your bias? So traders, it will also help others. Okay, hello traders, I'm back. Okay, let's continue. Okay, Philip, I hope your position is doing good, but any point of time the price can liquidate. Okay, so always remember. So we are making some bullish momentum from the hourly volume level. Okay, six people are watching. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your likes. Should I close for now? Okay. Uh, if you are into Philip sir, if you are earning good pips, if you are in profit, then I think you must book the profit because you see the candle, you see this bullish candle, so you can book your profit and you can risk the same profits on your next trade. Okay, so this way you make money. Okay, traders, you risk your profits, you risk your profits always. That way you make money. Let's see, the market is creating some bullish momentum. Seven people are watching. Thank you traders, thank you. Yeah, welcome Philip, welcome. Thank you for watching, brother, thank you for watching. Seven people are watching right now. So please traders, hit that like button, and also comment below your thoughts. Okay, so let's see if the market can continue, and let's have a look at the dollar index. Okay, dollar index is not gonna listen to anyone. Dollar index is just booming. Okay, okay, dollar index is booming. So daily candle, I think it will be turned into a green candle. Okay, so first it was a bearish candle, so that's why we saw a beautiful up move in the gold in the US session, sorry, Asian session. Okay, why? Because this Asian session we got sell move. Okay, in gold we got buy move. Now in dollar index we have the buy move. Okay, so in the dollar index we have the buy move, and in the gold we are expecting the sell move. Okay, so here you can see in the dollar index we are creating that bullish momentum, and definitely we can create a sell move from this sell level, 4 hour sell level. Okay, so this range is of 130 pips. Okay, 130 pips. So if you break it into half, that will be like 6.5 pips. Okay, 6.5 pips risk, and then definitely you need to wait to touch the trend line, or else half of this level. Okay, half of this level, so then only we can expect some selling, and already we have liquidated the early sellers. Okay, so we have already liquidated the early sellers, and after touching our level, maybe touching the trend line, we can continue sell momentum. Okay, so this is how market works. Market needs liquidity, right? Market needs liquidity. So now market is in selling move. If the market needs more sellers, then what market's going to do? Market will create buyers. Okay, so people buying from here, they have stop losses below. Okay, they have stop losses below. You can see people buying from here, they have stop losses below. We have stop loss above, liquidating this. Okay, so liquidating the early sellers, and then we can continue below, liquidating this, and then again continuing more. Okay traders, so this way market works. Okay, so as of now I think we are going to liquidate this. Okay, so let's see traders, what happens. So today I am not interested in trading, traders. Okay, so I am just sharing the analysis so that you don't make losses. Okay, so I don't want you to lose your hard-earned money. Okay, so it hurts me a lot. So don't lose your hard-earned money. trade very carefully. Okay, so you see how the market is playing the game. So now these sellers will be confused whether to buy or sell. So many beginners, what they do is, once they are in a selling position, so what they'll do is they'll see some green candles, then they'll exit, and then they'll be buy position. And then in the buy position, they'll be waiting for some breakout or anything like that. After this liquidation, selling starts. So this way the market works. Okay, so market will always try to liquidate you. Okay. Okay, 8 people are watching. संजय शर्मा, सेल 4083 से किया है, होल्ड करूं या आउट हो जाऊं? 4083. Sanjay Sharma sir. Okay, so now the market is going to liquidate here. Exactly. So definitely market can create a sell momentum. So you can exit now and again you can enter. Okay, so you can exit at break even and then again you can enter. Sanjay Sharma, your Asian trade was very good. Okay, so from 504050, where you exited, how much pips you booked, please let me know. 6 people are watching. Thank you for all your likes. Thank you for supporting. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. 7 people are watching. Please comment. Please comment. Please comment below. I know Philip, I know Sanjay Sharma, I know Vrindavan, Manga, thank you. I know Manga, I know Natasha, okay, I know Rafael, I know Vajnikam, I know Kids. Okay, Philip, thank you, thank you. Welcome, sir, welcome. No problem, no problem. I'm here for you, brother. No problem. Save your money, save your money. Don't lose your hard-earned money, man. Okay, as expected, market gave us the bullish move we were expecting. See how aggressive. Traders, market is very cunning. Okay, so market is always ahead of you, ahead of us. Okay, you and me as well. Market is always ahead of us. Okay, and in future also it will be ahead of us, always, anytime. We cannot beat market. So what we can do is we can wait, we can use multiple confluences, we can use higher time frames, then definitely we can earn money. Okay, from trading, definitely you can make a fortune for your family. But you need patience. Okay, trading requires patience. Thank you for all your likes. New viewers, welcome to the stream. Welcome to Precious Pips live stream. If any new viewers, please comment, please comment. I read all the comments and I want to know each one of you personally. Okay, so I want to build a community where we can help each other. All right. Price rejecting from here. Let's see. So still these sellers are in fear of losing. Okay, so they are still trying to sell. They are still trying to sell. So these sellers are in fear of losing, right? So I'll show you on the 1 minute time frame. So as you can see, traders, sellers entering again. Okay, so why are they entering again? Why are they entering again? Because fear of losing, right? Fear of losing. They are thinking like market traveled how many pips? Let me count. Almost 150 pips already. Okay, already 150 pips. So now what they are thinking, market has moved already 150 pips, so I don't lose my trade. So they end up placing orders. Okay, bulk orders. And then what happens? The next candle started creating higher high. You see, started creating higher high. 7 people are watching. Okay, Joseph, thank you. Welcome. Vrindavan, thanks, sir. Welcome, welcome, Vrindavan, madam. Thank you. Should we wait for a change of character? Okay. Change of character on which time frame? On which time frame? On which time frame you're doing the analysis? Okay, liquidity done. Boom, liquidity is done. Wait, wait, wait. Let's see if we can touch our trend line. Sorry, trend line and the 4-hour level. 9 people are watching. New viewers, welcome, welcome. Okay, 5 minutes time frame. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Okay. A change of character, right? Yeah, yeah. You can try. You can try change of character, but better than the change of character. This level is good. Okay, this is a good selling point. This is a brilliant selling point. So change of character will be here. Okay, so you will get a very low entry. Okay, so you need selling entry above, as much as above. Okay, possible. So you always find your selling entries above. Yeah, after the change of character, if you can wait for some order block or some any kind of your ICT techniques, then definitely we can expect some bearish momentum. But sometimes market simply respects bigger time frame levels. Okay, so 10 people are watching. Vrindavan, yes, yes, thank you. 10 people are watching. Thank you for all your likes. Thank you for watching, traders. Thank you for all your support. Is done, and 1 minute to go. This candle closing, 15 minutes candle closing. Scenario, there are two scenarios. First scenario, price can continue directly from here. Okay, directly. The liquidity grab is done. Okay, so like here I have explained you already. Like, okay, so after grabbing the liquidity, price can create down move. So already the market has entered the liquidity, but why I'm waiting? Because I have my selling level. Okay, so until and unless the price doesn't tap my selling level, I will not sell. Okay, I will not sell. I want price to tap into our zone and then proceed its original selling move. But yeah, definitely chances are there. Liquidity hunting is done. Definitely price can create bearish momentum from here. But if we choose to sell from here, we have a big stop loss. If we choose to sell from here, we have a stop loss of like 200 pips. Okay, so we have a stop loss of 200 pips, and if we can wait until here, 150 pips. If we can wait until here, so 92 100 pips. Okay, so this way we need to eliminate our losses. Okay, traders, so 10 seconds to go. 15 minutes candle is closing. Do you have a Telegram channel? Yes, Philip, yes, I have a Telegram channel, and I think the link is in the description. Yeah, the link is in the description, so please, brother, join our Telegram channel. I'll be waiting for you. Okay, traders, so market has already liquidated all the sellers, and let's see if new sellers will enter, or the buyers will continue. Okay, so until now I don't see any traces of selling. I mean major selling. Okay, I don't see any traces of major selling, so let's see. Okay, we forgot the dollar index. Okay, dollar index, as you can see, traders, dollar index is continuously creating bullish moves. And let's check out the resistance. Okay, so not okay, so we can connect this trend line. This is a really good trend line. Okay, so this will be a deciding factor, traders. Okay, so this will be a deciding factors. 8 people are watching. Thank you, traders. Welcome, Philip, welcome. So as you can see, we have a trend line. Okay, so we have a trend line, and so until here I'm expecting. Okay, so we can reject from here, or else we can break past this trend line and then again we can continue. Okay, so already US session has started and this is the last session. This is the last session, so I am not expecting a big volatility move. Okay, I'm not expecting big volatile moves. Okay, still market not making any sell moves. Okay, so let's see. Six people are watching. Thank you, traders. Thank you, all of you. Thank you very much. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for joining my live stream. I hope you like my live stream and my voice is clear. Okay, so if there are any technical issues, I will cross check and I will improve in my next stream. Okay. Okay, so do we have any other clues? Do we have any other clues? Okay, so let's check volume here. Okay, so we have already break past the volume several times. Okay, so in this move itself we have surpassed the volume, so this is indicating me that these sellers are less active. Okay, so now these old sellers are less active, so now fresh these buyers are active. Okay, so these buyers are active, so there are some sellers but not in quantity. Okay, so now there are quantity buyers. Okay, so let's see. Now today's move is done already. Okay, traders, today's move is already done. So I've already told you, traders, we don't have any news events. So today is Monday, so we don't have any news events, and today's move is already done. As you can see from here, market already gave us 400 pips. Okay, so market already gave us 400 pips. Yes, US session always volatile, but we need events. Okay, geopolitical events or any red folder news events. 7 people are watching. Thank you, traders. Thank you for joining. Make sure you like this video, traders. Already 1 hour we are in, so this was just a demo testing stream. I hope you're loving it. Please leave your comments below. There are three scenarios. I will explain you one by one. So now already the market has liquidated the early sellers. The market can go up, hit our resistance, 4-hour resistance, touching our trend line. This is an extra confluence, touching our trend line, and then again we can continue. Okay, traders, again we can continue below. So now bullish strength is not available, and now why I am on the selling side? Because of the dollar index. Already the dollar index has touched its trend line, and after some time I think we can break out. Okay, so let's see if we break out of this trend line, then we will be having a consolidation or a bearish move in gold. Okay, already we are done already. Okay, so traders, it depends on you if you want to enter from here. So I have shown you everything. Okay, so you have the risk reward, so you can definitely go with it. Okay, and one more thing, traders, market can anytime come to liquidate this daily high. Okay, so market is very cruel, so market can come and liquidate this daily high and then it can again continue, but you can place your order. Okay, sell order and place your stop loss just above this daily high. Okay, So currently, as you can see, why we are in a bearish trend, I've already shown you traders. As you can see, dollar index is giving a bullish move. Dollar index is already giving the bullish move that we were looking for, and a very good bullish move. If this bullish move continues, okay, if this bullish move continues, then definitely I am expecting a sell move in gold. Okay, traders, I'm expecting a sell move in gold. So let's see what happens, trader. I'm not today I'm not trading because already time is over. So here you have stop loss around, you can safer side 200 pips, and if you want more safe, then you can go with 50%, okay, like this. So you can go with 50% and your stop loss will be lowered. Okay, so let me delete this one. All right. Okay, traders, so I've shown you each and everything. So this is medium loss and this is the maximum loss, okay. So the maximum loss will be 200 pips, okay. So once we know the risk is 200 pips, and then we need to enter, okay. Risk reward is mandatory. If you don't follow the risk reward, then you will not be able to make money. That's a guarantee, okay. So you will not be able to make money. Risk reward, play on risk reward, okay, traders. So you need, you're giving the market a risk, so you need the reward, okay. So you're giving the market a risk, a particular, particular move like 200 pips, 200 pips stop loss, 100 pips stop loss. So in return, we expect some profits, okay. So if market liquidates us, market hits our stop loss, then we are out of the game, and yes, we are done for the day, okay. So we will find entries tomorrow. So don't be in a hurry, okay, traders, don't be in a hurry. Where are we putting our TP? Yeah. Okay, Philip, where are we putting our TP? Okay, our TP, our initial TP will be our trend line, okay. Our initial TP will be our trend line, and our second TP, our initial TP will be our trend line. Our second TP will be this one if we break past this trend line, okay. If we break past this trend line, then definitely we are going to take support, a little bit support from here, and then once we break this, then definitely we are going to target weekly low, previous week low, okay. So this is the previous week low, previous week high, previous day high, previous day low, okay, traders. All right, so already we have tapped into our zone, so let's see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, traders, dollar index, I don't know what happened to dollar index. Okay, so I think there's some news, okay, in the US dollar, so I need to check that news. So I'm trading live, sorry, I'm streaming live over here, so I have not checked any news, okay. Okay, dollar might fall on prospect of December rate cut. Okay, stocks edge up, dollar dips as investors raise bets on December Fed. Yen worst performer against dollar. Okay, okay, as you can see, traders, dollar is making a brilliant move. Dollar is making a brilliant move. So sometimes what happens, traders, dollar is going up, then same way gold is also going up, okay. So there's no guarantee, there's no guarantee. If the dollar is going up, then the gold will fall, okay. So that correlation is not guaranteed, okay. It might sometimes work, sometimes it will not work, okay. So take it as 50-50. So what is in our hand? All we can do is we can eliminate our losses. That's all we can do. Rest, everything is market. Okay, so market will give us profits. So don't worry about that. Okay, so you need to eliminate your risk. So 10 people are watching. 10 people are watching. Thank you so much for watching, Philip. Okay. Okay, Philip. So do you have any other questions? So this will be a better selling price for you. Okay, I'm afraid that the price will liquidate this. I'm afraid. So you can see traders, dollar index is booming. Okay, so dollar index is booming already, and still we did not, you know, make any bearish move. Okay, so gold is also pushing. Gold is also pushing. Dollar is also pushing. You see, gold is also pushing. Dollar is also pushing. So perfect example. Yeah, but still, as per technicals, we are in a sell move. Okay. So work according to the technicals, and my levels are major levels, big time frame levels. I don't play with smaller time frames. Okay. So let's see what happens. 8 people are watching. Thank you traders. Thank you so much for watching. So make sure you hit that like button, traders, so other traders also get help. Okay, so we need to create hardworking community. Okay, so I will share all the analysis for you, so you don't worry. All you need to focus on the trading, focus on the risk. So what is in our hand? In our hand we have the risk. We cannot predict how much profit the market can deliver us. Okay, so we cannot predict. What we can predict is the stop loss. That's in our hand. What stop loss you want to give. Okay, so what stop loss you want to give to the market. If the market stop hunts, okay, hunts your stop loss, that must never bother you. Okay, so find another entry. So once you follow this consistently, I guarantee you traders, I guarantee you, you will be the one. Okay, so you will make it, I guarantee you. Okay, so any other questions? So I think I'm going to end this stream within some times. So please traders, any questions, please comment below. And please traders, I need more likes. Please, if you haven't liked our stream, so make sure you hit that like button right now. So let's see what happens over here. So Philip, please remember, market can liquidate the previous day high. You see, US dollar is bullish, but the gold is also bullish. Okay, so sometimes this happens. Okay, so gold is also bullish. So we do our work consistently with discipline. We follow our risk management with discipline. Okay, so even if we win 10, even if we win 5 times out of 10, then also we are profitable. Okay, so that's how profitable traders are earning money. They are earning fortunes. Any questions, traders? Any questions? So 15 minutes candle, little bit retracement, and then again we can continue. Okay, traders? Okay, 6 people watching. Any questions, traders? Any questions? Do you have any questions? Please comment below. Please comment below any questions. US dollar is positive, sir. There is no news. Yeah, kids. Yes, correct. US dollar is positive. So that's why we are expecting a bearish move. Okay, so that's why we are expecting a bearish move. But sometimes it does not align with the US dollar, right? So sometimes it does not align with the US dollar. Okay, so down move is done. So let's see if the dollar can continue. So please watch US dollar DXY. I'm using the capital.com. So if this can continue, then definitely gold will fall. Okay, but sometimes it does not align with each other. So sometimes if a dollar is going up, then the gold is also bullish. Sometimes dollar is bearish, then gold is also bearish. Okay. Okay, anyone else? 6 people are watching. Thank you for all your likes, traders. Thank you for all the support. Thank you very much. So now we are going to touch the trend line. Let's see. The safer side stop loss will be 13. Okay. Safer side stop loss will be 13, and if you sell from here, same 20 pips, 200 pips, your safer side stop loss will be 4113. 8 people are watching. Any questions, any doubts, feel free to ask. Okay, I'll answer each one of you, so don't worry, I'll answer each one of you. Any questions, any doubts? So traders, what is your bias? Are you thinking bearish or bullish? Please let me know. Please let me know. 8 people are watching. Please let me know. So what is your bias? Okay, so what is your bias? Bullish or bearish? Six people are watching. Okay, bearish. Yeah, kids, bearish. Correct. 6 people are watching. Any more comments? Thank you once more for your time. Manga, thank you, thank you. You're most welcome, brother. Most welcome. So make sure you don't miss regular live streaming. Okay, trader? So traders, please don't miss regular live streaming. Manga, please join our Telegram channel and turn your bell notification on. Subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit like button. So let's see what happens. Yeah, see, dollar index started creating bullish move again. I think it's going to resume its bullish move, but as of now higher high is not broke yet, so let's see. Okay, so first red candle, let's see. First red candle, Only four people are watching. No problem, traders. No problem. I'm going to end this stream. So even if one of you trader is watching, then also I'll do the live stream. Okay. Even one of you, two of you are watching, then also I'll do the live stream. I need serious traders. Okay. If you want to get out of this poverty, if you want to do something for your family, if you want to get out of this poverty, then I am here for you. I will help you out. Okay, traders. Together we will get out of this poverty. Okay, and also we will make our surrounding beautiful. Okay, on the 1 minute time frame, some sellers have entered. Some sellers have entered. Let's see if we can push below, or are we going to break this? Let's see, let's see. Any comments? Any comments? Any doubts? Any comments? Any doubts? I hope everything is clear, and I hope I was able to make you understand in a easy way. If not, then please comment, then I'll try some different method for you. Sellers, please remember at any point of time, price can liquidate this previous day high. If we are respecting this, then definitely tomorrow we will be liquidating. Okay. All right. Who's watching? Philip, are you there? Okay. Four viewers are watching. So can I know your name, please? Sanjay Sharma. Sanjay Sharma is gone, I think. Sanjay Sharma is gone. Sanjay Sharma just came in the Asian session. He just, you know, asked for the buyers. Should I wait or not? And then he just is gone. Sanjay Sharma. Sanjay Sharma. Okay, okay. He's out. Philip, are you there? Okay, Philip is also not there. Okay, four viewers, five viewers are still there. So please, viewers, can you comment? Rafal, no doubt, sir. Today was a good example why patience is crucial. Exactly, Rafal. Exactly. Exactly. You got my point. Exactly. We need to be patient. We need to be patient. Trading is a game of patience. Watching, not trading today. Good, good, Manga. Very good. We already missed the move. I like this, patience. Yeah, very good. We'll trade tomorrow, brother. We'll trade tomorrow. Tomorrow we have major important news events. US dollar, as you can see, core PPI, core retail sales, PPI retail sales. Okay, so tomorrow very important trading day. I will try to cover all of the sessions, but let's see. Still, my setup is not ready yet, but yeah, this is just a demo session. Okay, so still my setup is not complete. So this week I'll complete my setup, and from next week onwards all the sessions I'll try to cover. So London and US session I'll definitely cover, but Asian session I'm not sure. Okay, five people are watching. Any more comments? Rafael, thank you for your comment, brother. Patience is very crucial. Have patience, earn money, earn dollars, help your family. I want you to help your family. help your parents, help your father, help your hardworking father, help your hardworking mother, help your elder brother. He is also working hard for the family, so you need to help him. Thank you for all your comments. Thank you, thank you. So live streaming is really good. So I'm having fun. Okay, live streaming is really good. So I can be live every session, each and every session I'm going to cover. Okay, so I'll be directly live. So I don't need to share my analysis. I don't need to upload videos. I straight come live. Okay, this is really good. So thank you, thank you, thank you for the individuals, those who invented YouTube and also the TradingView software. Okay, so thank you. Big shout out. Thank you very much. Okay, immediately market created a bullish move. So let's see. So same way, same pattern. Market works on the same pattern. So same way early sellers. So let's see if we liquidate this or else we can straight away continue from here. Same pattern, market works on the same pattern. Okay. I think Philip must have entered the position. I don't know. And I hope so. He has joined our Telegram channel. Okay, Rafael, what about your trade? Are you trading today? What is the risk that you're using? What percentage of risk you're using? 5 people are watching. Thank you so much, traders. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And within some time, I'll be ending the stream. I don't have a habit of, talking for so long. 6 people are watching. New viewers, welcome, welcome. I'm going to end this stream within some time. Okay, dollar is, yeah, dollar is stuck here. Dollar did not break past this level. Okay, so we need higher high. So we have FVG here. We have FVG here. We have FVG here. So the price almost came to tap in. So again, price can come to tap in and then we can continue again. Okay, so the dollar was, DXY was super bullish. So that's why we were bearish. Okay. 6 people are watching. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Hit the like button. Hit the like button, traders. Subscribe to our channel. New viewers, subscribe to our channel. Join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. Okay, traders, our first live streaming profit. Okay, so little bit profit, but not a problem. This is our first live streaming. And this will be our first profitable trade. So I am really enjoying the live stream. So I'll be from next week onwards, continuously I'll be live. Okay. Okay, so I want this to be continued. Okay. I want this to be continued like this. Okay, so this also can be a deciding move for gold, as you can see here. Sellers were interested after this breakout. Now buyers will be interested here. So this will be a barrier. Okay, so this will be a barrier. So until and unless we don't break this, then we can create some correction move, consolidation moves here. Let's see, traders, let's see. Okay, so we have liquidity above, but already we done the liquidity grab. We completed the liquidity grab. So let's see. What do you think, traders? What do you think? Will this level, price will be respecting this level, or price will break past this level? So what are your thoughts? Please comment below. Please comment below. As you know, US dollar is super bullish. Okay, so as you can see, traders, super bullish. Okay, so little retracement. That's why the market is creating little retracement here. But yeah, still my bias is sell side. Sell side, but moderate selling. Okay, moderate bearishness. I'm not looking for sharp selling, because already the market has created 400 pips move. Okay, so market has already created 400 pips move. Already all the buyers are involved here. Already all the buyers are involved here, and these sellers, they are exiting their positions already. Okay, so they are exiting their positions already. So imagine you have your selling here. So for example, you have your selling on 4110. Okay, 4110, and now currently the price is 4090. Okay, so you will be thinking to better exit. Okay, so you will be thinking to better exit from here. So that's why we are getting some push, some bullish momentum from here. Okay, so people are exiting their positions. So people are exiting their positions. It will respect and then fall. Where it will respect? Trend line or our level? 6 people are watching. Please, traders, comment below your thoughts. What is your bias for today, tomorrow? This level will be breakout. Price will be breaking this level, or price will be respecting this level. Please comment, traders. Please comment. So today market will be playing game. Today market will be playing game. Market can liquidate both sides. So you don't expect big moves. Okay. So I just wanted to say, Philip, that don't expect big moves. Expect small moves. Then we can, if the market is continue selling, then we can re-enter tomorrow again. Okay, so don't worry, we are not gonna miss that move. We will re-enter again tomorrow. So market is not going anywhere. Okay, so don't worry. In the 5 minutes time frame, let's see. I don't see any aggressive selling. Okay, we tapped in the moving average. We tapped into our FVG, 15 minutes FVG. So traders, as you can see, we are creating some bearish move in dollar index. If this bull move continues, then definitely I'm expecting a bearish move in gold. Okay, here. If the dollar index move continues, then I'm definitely expecting a sell move from here. Okay, but dollar index, let's see what happens. You see dollar index is creating that correction move, and let's check out the volume. Okay traders, so as you can see, we have the 15 minutes volume over here. We have the 15 minutes volume. Okay, so let's see if we respect this volume or we reject it. So this is a very good bearish candle. We need the breakout of volume and also this candle low. Okay, so next we have this target, this FVG as the target. Yeah, definitely this is bullish. As you can see, we have already break past the trend line. This is the 30 minutes trend line. As you can see, 30 minutes trend line, and it has already break past the trend line above, closed, and then it is retracing. So let's see how much it can continue. Okay, now you see dollar, this DXY is falling, gold is also falling little bit. Okay, so these types of scenarios happen. Okay, so you need to be very careful. What we can do is we can eliminate our risk. Trend line, okay, it will respect the trend line and then it will come below again. Okay, okay brother, okay, let's see what happens. So as you can see, this is the trend line. So you can mark this trend line in the 30 minutes. Okay, hello traders, hello, I'm back. Okay, okay, dollar index is giving bearish move. Dollar index is giving bearish move. So as you can see, traders, sellers are active here, but again buyers are also active here. Okay, and below, as you can see, a lot of buyers are active. Okay, so from the Asian session, buyers are active here. So we have many stop losses below. Okay, so above I've explained you the stop losses. So this is the liquidity pool. Okay, so this is the liquidity pool, and 5 people are watching. Thank you for watching, traders. Make sure you hit that like button. So above we have liquidity here. Okay, so I'll just mark liquidity, liquidity, and if we continue from here, so this will also become the liquidity. Okay, so those who will be selling from here, so they'll be having their stop losses above this. Okay, or here. So these are the stop loss levels. Okay, so these are all the stop loss levels. So if the market continues bearish from here, then definitely people have stop losses here, and tomorrow market will hunt all the stop losses. Okay, all the stop losses. If the market is bullish, then the market will hunt all the stop losses above. And let's have a look below. So below, as you can see, the main stop loss pull, the main liquidity pull is this one. Okay, sorry, the main liquidity pull is this one. Okay, so this is the main liquidity pool. After grabbing the liquidity, the market continuing its direction. Let's see, traders, let's see. Still we are making that little bearish momentum. So not feeling much confident. I've already told you, traders, like the market has already made 400 pips move, okay, in the Asian session. And as you can see, today we don't have any news events. So today market will be less volatile, okay. But tomorrow is a very important trading day, okay, so don't miss tomorrow. So tomorrow is a very important trading day. Tomorrow, 25th November, and 30 minutes before the US session, US dollar core PPI, core retail sales, PPI retail sales. Okay, and also we have the pending home sales, manufacturing index, CB consumer confidence. Okay, so a lot of big news events, red folders. Okay, I am not much confident here, so let's check the volume and the 915 moving average. Okay, so we are already above the moving average. Okay, already the move is gone. So I'm expecting, if the resistance takes place, I'm expecting price until 915 moving averages. Okay, or until my volume, our 1 hourly volume. Okay, this is the hourly volume. And volume, as you can see, traders, buy volume is decreasing. Okay, so buy volume is decreasing in the 15 minutes. So as you can see here, wait, I'll show you clear. Okay, so as you can see, traders, buy volume is declining. Okay, so buy volume is declining here. So you see the buy volume was higher, higher and higher. So now it is making lower and lower. Okay, so let's see if we can continue this move. Okay, traders, so we are going to close within a few minutes. Okay, traders, final comments, traders. 6 people are watching. Final comments, final comments. So, what are your thoughts, traders? Market will break this 4-hour support resistance, or market will be respecting? So please traders, let me know in the comment section, market will break this resistance or respect this resistance. Okay, so we are expecting a sell move from here, but you see dollar index is now retracing, and after the little retracement, again creating some bullish move. I told you traders, this was we already marked the 15 minutes volume and also touching our 915 moving average. This is continuing. Okay, so if this continues, then we can expect bearish movement in gold. Okay, so gold is really confused, and there's not enough volume. So gold is really confused. So still people are interested in selling. Still people are interested in selling, and this is a liquidity pool. Now this become a macro liquidity pool, very little small liquidity pool, so we can liquidate and then we can continue, or else or else we can break this level. Okay traders, so two scenarios. So what are you thinking? Thank you for today, seeing forward for tomorrow. Okay, okay, yes kids, yes, tomorrow is a very beautiful trading day. Tomorrow we have a lot of news events. Okay, so make sure tomorrow you be on time. So I'll update you on our Telegram channel. So make sure you join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description.